Coyote Valley Casino, located in Redwood Valley just north of Ukiah, is owned and operated by the Coyote Valley Band of Pomo Indians, who opened the property in 1990s and later expanded it to a modern resort destination. The Wyndham Garden Hotel offers 99 guest rooms and suites along with a heated outdoor pool, fitness center, free breakfast, meeting rooms, and over 3,000 square feet of event space for conferences and celebrations. The casino floor spans about 10,000 square feet and features roughly 400 slot machines, a bunch of link games, table games, complemented by a full-service bar, casual dining options, and entertainment areas that make it a popular getaway for Mendocino County. Let's go check out the casino floor. Alright, we're gonna do a walking tour. Wow, this place is nice. Alright, let's do a walking tour. It's pretty big. And they got table games here. Magic. Angelina's Grill. We got a winery. It's a restaurant, Sage House Restaurant. Angelina's Grill. Actually, it's a small casino. The ceilings are really tall. What's in here? Events. Okay. Players Club over there. What is this? It's a bar inside the event center. Action Dragons. Yeah, the floor space here is small, but the ceilings are so tall that it looks big. Oh, there's more in the back. Okay. I still can't believe, well, at least it's not like an hour and a half away. It's 30 minutes. They have your Action Dragon game here. Yeah.
So, you get players card for the first time, it's a $10.
Oh, okay. I think I need to get a player's card then. All right. This whole section over here is like my favorite area. Swipers. Nice win, man. That was nice. On a dollar, was a dollar bet?
Yeah, only I play 250.
Wow.
Yeah, I catch the blue one.
Nice. Wow, this whole section here. It's all Dragon Links games. I'm gonna go get a player's card. That's the casino, everybody. It's very tall ceilings. All right, it's time to play some games.
这是里面唱题，水水里面应龙椅，我送阿叔茶鸡